Russian President Vladimir Putin has told that Russia has become the first country to approve a COVID-19 vaccine. The name of the vaccine is Sputnik V, and this has been approved only after 2 months of human trials. The vaccine still has to complete final trials, but before that, a Russian pharmaceutical company has told that they will be mass manufacturing the vaccine from this year end. Is it possible for anyone to find a vaccine and get approval also this soon? What are the steps involved in the process of vaccine invention to vaccine production? In this episode of Now You Know, you will know the answers for all these questions. Vaccine development does not start in a pharmaceutical company, but it starts in a research laboratory, either in a university or a medical center or even a small biotech company. The general stages of the development cycle of a vaccine are exploratory stage, preclinical stage, clinical development, regulatory review and approval, manufacturing, quality control. In short, it is how a drug from being an idea becomes helpful to patients all around the world. So, scientists who have an idea for a drug will pitch to various organizations for funding. This itself is a very long process, but once the funding is got, the research team will then start to bring life to their idea. These scientists often spend years researching whether their idea will work and developing reagents and tests to see if their drug idea is a success or failure. And then they test their ideas in animals. In some cases, the ideas are tested in animals like mice, rats or rabbits, and then again in larger animals like monkeys. It is not that only one set of scientists should work on one particular illness. Several scientists or group of scientists may be working towards the same goals. Their data also will be shared to an extent, and the progress is evaluated by other scientists through presentations at conferences and other scientific meetings, and also through medical papers published in journals. If any pharmaceutical company likes this work, then they will approach the scientists and talk about more funding. This process takes 5 to 10 years. When vaccine development reaches the clinical development stage, there will be many more obstacles, and there are 3 phases in the clinical trial stage. In the first phase, it is done with healthy volunteers. It includes only a small group of volunteers and it goes on only for a short period of time. With the information collected in this phase, the study goes into the next stage. In phase 2, a more specific group of volunteers are selected to see if the new drug that is being developed will work on people with health issues or will it have any side effects. Also, we should know that not all clinical trial volunteers will be given the new drug. Some will be given placebos too. Sometimes a research may meet a dead end when it is in the first phase or second phase of clinical trial too. That is because the drug will fail to give the desired results. Then the scientists again go back to the research mode and start from step 1 if their funding has not stopped yet. When the vaccine proves to be safe and also gives good immune response, then it will pass on to the third phase of clinical trial. In the third phase, the vaccine is given to thousands of people and tested for efficacy and safety. This phase takes years to complete. Once phase 3 is successful, then the drug will have to be approved by the government for license, and then it will be produced and distributed. But that is not the end. As the new drug is used by more and more people, it will be monitored to be sure that it is still effective. Though it is a very big process to get a drug approved, for emergency situations like this present COVID-19 pandemic, the time period will be greatly reduced, but in no situation is it advisable to skip any stages. So these are the steps that a vaccine should go through before being distributed to the patients in mass, which you did not know, but now you do.